Hey abundant parents, it's Leah. In this video, I'm going to talk to you all about raising a law of attraction kid in a judgy world. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please give it a like. If you'd like to hear more, please be sure to hit the bell because I do post a new video at least once a week, and that way you'll be notified when I do. Once when I was in middle school, I had a boy tell me that I had a big nose, and I had never really considered my nose at all before then. But I carried that judgment like a truth. I carried that judgment with me well into adulthood. In fact, I still carried it with me even after I'd had my daughters. You see, as parents, we try to protect our children from the world. We try to protect them from all of the experiences that happen to them. But what we really need to do is guide our children to release those expectations and judgments of our experiences. Okay, yes, sure, my nose is not Barbie-licious, but if I stop comparing myself to everyone else and even take it the next step and really start affirming all the things that I do like about myself, then those comments by that young boy in middle school really matter not at all. There are a few things that you can do to affirm your kids while they are experiencing the judgments of others. The first thing you can do is affirm their feelings. All feelings are valid. Their feelings are valid, whether they're good or bad. It's also a good time to remind them that the feelings of others are also valid. Not their judgments, but people's feelings. Feelings are valid. You can't tell a person that they're wrong about how they feel. It just simply isn't true. Second, remind them why people say hurtful things. The phrase comes up a lot with my kids, that hurt people hurt people. And I'm also reminded of the Abraham Hicks quote that says, people will love you and people will hate you, and it will almost always have nothing to do with you. And again, these kinds of conversations open up the opportunity to talk about bigger overall themes. So talking about how much they have the capacity to love when they feel good, how it's just easier to love themselves and others when they feel good. The third thing is have your child talk about their truth as related to this experience or this event or this judgment. This can be facts and events related specifically to the experience that they've just had, but it can also be the morals that you've discussed as a family or morals that your child has uncovered themselves through going through this experience or this judgment. The fourth thing that you can do is you can compliment and affirm your child using the truths that they had just shared with you. You are not creating a weak child by affirming in them what they're telling you about their own inner guidance, but you are encouraging them, guiding them to trust their own intuition, their own truth, their own knowledge. And children do turn to adults to let them know they are on the right track. So let's teach our children to trust their inner guidance, to let them know that they are spot on. Most importantly, that they can trust the universe. The best part is you are teaching them paths to forgiveness and teaching them to release the judgments of others with compassion, with healthier boundaries, and with a quicker return to good feeling thoughts. And of course, good feeling thoughts is what gets them back on the path to manifesting and creating the life of their dreams. Thank you so much for watching. I know your parenting time can be limited and valuable. If you'd like to hear more, I do host an expert in their field each month on the Abundant Parent Community Workshops. You can find that at theabundantparent.com, clicking on the tab that says membership. Thank you so much, and I'm wishing you a day full of light, love, and abundance.